It's a song by Led Zeppelin, and this is a fun one. I might just jump on keys, even that's going to be unannounced, but it's a song called Fool in the Rain. Beck, once again, brought this one to our audition, and so we're going to play a little Led Zeppelin. Fool in the Rain. What? Fool in the Rain? I don't have the whistle.
Oh, baby. Well, there's a light in your eyes that keeps shining like a star that can't wait for the night. I hate to think I would fly, baby. Why can't I see you tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts to burning, and the thrill of your touch gives me fright. And I'm shaking so much, really yearning. Why don't you show me, make it alright? Yeah, it's alright.
And if you promise to love so completely, then said you would always be true. You told us you never would leave me, baby. What can happen to you? Leave me, baby. I'm standing here feeling blue, blue. Yeah, I'm blue. Now I will stand in the rain on the corner. I watch the people go shuffling downtown. Now there's a minutes no longer, and then I'm turning around, round. And the clock on the wall's moving slower. Oh, my heart it sinks to the ground. And the storm that I thought would blow over clouds a lot of the love that I found, found. Lot of the love that I found. Lot of the love that I found. Oh, and I found.
first time, believe me, baby, it's all a terrible mess. And now I'm out in the rain till I'm breathless. When I'm breathless, I'll run till I drop. Hey, and the thoughts of a fool got careless, just a fool waiting on the run. Oh yeah. Hey now. Light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I. Light of the love that I found. Light of the hey now. Light of the hey now. Light of the love that I found. Light of the love that